So I request everyone to join regularly, okay, and join early. So when join profile is only one job. I'm sharing my screen, okay. So what we covered as of now, tell me.
Charts,
Charts
What kind of
journal
concepts.
charts?
chart,
Do you remember
what
that?
is
What kind
charts.
of charts we covered as of now? Hmm?
We have covered
As of now, 20 plus charts we covered.
20. Yes.
20 plus charts we covered. So today we will cover all kinds of charts, which is the remaining. Okay. So let's start that. By the way, the PBX file is already there in the OneDrive file. Go and download it. Okay. The same PBX file, which is I am using now. Okay. So every day I'll upload the PBX file into the OneDrive. Go and download it. Okay. So yesterday we covered till tree map, ribbon chart, waterfall chart, and funnel chart.
Funnel chart.
These are all the charts as of now we are covering. So we will go with the new charts, and today we will try to customize charts. How we can use a customized charts for the visualization purpose. Okay, we will cover all these things now. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the map. Okay, which we have not covered the map. So before start the map, go to the file. Okay, and go to the option and setting. Where is it? Here, option and setting. Go to option. Okay, what we'll do now, we'll enable the map. Okay, so it is by default map is not been enabled. Okay, in our Power BI. So we'll go to the setting and we'll enable the map. Okay, go to security. Okay, in the security, use map and field map visual. Click on that. Okay, so if you go to the setting, right, you maybe not be click use map and field map visual. So I just before come to the class, I just on this. So everyone, please on it. Okay. See, this is will be there. Just to click arrow tick, just to click on the tick mark and click on OK. That's it. That is a important first step. Okay. Once we enable the field map, use the map and try to adjust accordingly. Okay. So we adjusted the map accordingly. So give the map name as well. Okay. Okay, just copy this. Okay, go to page one and just paste it. What is our map name? Just go to shape here, go to style and mention the map. Okay, and the text, just mention the map. Okay, now just resize it. Okay, till here everybody done, right? Till here. Hello, Shobin, Praful, Mama.
Done.
Done, right? And
Yeah.
everybody's enabled the map option, right? If you not enable the map option, you will not get the visual. Okay, so go to file, go to option and setting,
Setting.
option, then go to security. Okay, security, and the security option, just scroll down, you'll get the option called use map and field map visual. Okay, so this I have to use it. Now once you've done this, okay, this is the field map and this is a symbol map. Okay, the map name which is we are working now, that is a symbol map. Go to text and mention the symbol map. Okay, done. Now in the symbol map, go to the visual now. So what is your location? Okay, So location, what kind of location you have in the data? Okay. See, location may be the state. Okay. Location may be the state. Okay. And location may be the country. Okay. Location may be city. Okay. So this we as a consider as a location. Okay. So what the city, state, okay, country, this we as a consider as a location. So use a state and drag and drop into the location. Okay. Now see map I'm not getting here. Why I'm not getting here? See, go to file, go to option, go to options, security. So when I explained that time I'm not enable that. Okay. Just enable it, click on OK, okay, and remove it. Just save this. One second. Then drag and drop to location now. Okay, that is the reason actually. The sign out. So I just sign in into the here, no? That is why I'll sign out now. Okay. So now, okay, that's fine. I drag the state into the location. Now I'm getting the map automatically. Now you can ask me that why previously it does not get the map. Because previously I used the organization account. So organization don't allow the the map actually.
Actionable.
That is the reason actually. Okay, till done everyone. Yeah, till done everyone.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Or just 1 minute.
Okay. What about Praful and Shobin? You guys done?
I'm done.
Good,
Done.
good. Done,
Done.
done. Did you getting the same map which is I'm showcasing now here? The name itself
I'm
symbol
not
map.
getting.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you not getting who is not getting that? Praful?
No, no, done. It takes much time to learn. Actually,
Okay. It will take time.
yeah.
See,
Now
in
it's
my
ready.
case, when I sign out, that time only I get the result. Why tell me? Because I used previously the organizational account. So basically, the organization account does not allow to use a map. That is the reason. Okay. Again now, so this is the symbol map, which is I just only use a state location. Now I just want to know that the state wise the sales. Okay. So the state wise sales, I want to know that. Okay. So sales. Okay. Sales into the bubble size. Okay. Drag and drop into the bubble size. Where drag the sales and drop into the bubble size. And now go to the format, go to bubble, increase the size of bubble. Okay. 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 So somewhere I increase the bubble of size. Now, if you go to the visual, okay, and this is something state-wise sales. Okay, a bigger circle, bigger size means bigger size, bigger bubble size, bigger sales. Lower bubble size, lower sales. Okay, but somewhere I didn't like much more. Okay, so what we can do that? So what we can do, we will each region wise sales will showcase that. region, drag and drop region into the legend. Okay, drag the region and drop into the legend. So now what I get to know that there are four regions. Okay, one is central, one is east, one is south. Okay, now in the each region, what is the top page sales and where I'm getting now? California, I'm getting the four lakh 57,687, which is the highest sales we are getting there. The same way, if you see the a very the small circle in the south region, and that is the state South Carolina, which is 8,481. If you see in the east region, if there is a very small circle, if you go over, that is a very lesser sales we are getting in the state called Mining, that is in the east region, and the sum of sales is only 1,270. Okay, if you go to here in the West Virginia, okay, that is only 1,200. So this is the way I can figure it out how it will distribution my region by sales with respect to each state. Okay. Now what I'll do now, I'll go to the format. Okay. I'll go to map setting. Okay. So in the map setting, we have a different styles has been given. Okay. So the map styles we are given by the Power BI. So they are given a multiple options here. So we can choose that which options we can go ahead. Now which one we are using now? Now currently we are using that road option. Okay. Now if we go to aerial option, it will look like this. It is somewhere, it is a big United States, which is when we use in the mobile phone, right? That is the aerial. By the way, we use the same thing now in the aerial. Yes or no? In the mobile. Hmm?
I guess we
We use the same thing in the mobile, right? Hello, I'm not getting your voice actually.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Now go to aerial to dark, which is purely dark mode, which is how your UI. So in our phone, we have a light mode and dark mode. The same way they are given dark mode in the map. Again, the light mode, which is the light and dark mode, both are given now. Again, the gray cycle, which is entirely the gray. Now the road, which is previously I showcased that, and the mostly widely used the aerial, which is the it will look like the real one. Okay, when we use the mobile phones and when we use to track the any particular map, that will be use aerial map. Now what are the buttons we have? Okay, buttons in the sense what are the control buttons we have? So you have auto zoom option. I need the zoom button on it. So if a plus, it will zoom it. It will minus, it will resize it. Plus, it will again zoom it. Plus, again zoom it. Plus. See now, again plus, again plus. So where there is a, this is a road actually, okay? Where, the road it called Harmony Road. Something is here actually. Let's see now. What is there in the,
That, that's the
mm, okay, that is the last, okay, till we can done the plus now. So when I click on the plus, I'm not getting now. So that much now we can do zoom in. Now zoom out. So this is the way I can do zoom out as well. So this is a button is given from the Power B option. Okay. Okay. Now the lasso button. The lasso button something which is if you click on the over anywhere. Okay. So if you go click on this. Okay. If you see, See, this is the last of the time. Just minus it. The mostly we will use the zoom button. Okay. Now this is the geocoding structure, geocoding the culture, which is the option is given that, which is the different we have a locations. Okay. To connect that locations, this geocoding we will use actually when we getting a different locations. So they have a geocoding points actually. We'll connect the geocoding points so we can see in the map. Okay. And you already know the legend option. The bubble size we will now let's see bubble size. Bubble size we can increase the size and we can decrease the size. Okay. So there is a no such kind of that how much we can increase and how much decrease. There is a, see bigger, lower and lower. But when I use the this particular map, I'm not able to see the exactly the clear map. So what I'll do now, I'll change the map style aerial to road. Okay, this is the perfect which is I can guess that this is looking perfect now. Aerial is also good, but when colors it will showcase no, that will not look good actually. See now, the bigger size I can make it the bigger bubble size, but it will be if we make it over bigger no, the every bubble it will be overlap to another bubble. So don't big, okay, it will make it the one or two something, it is fine. So this is the overall entire the symbol map which is I created now. Okay. Again, you can go to general option. You can go to effects. You can make it the background if you want. But this is not make good impact on the when you're working on the background. So we are because when we working on the map, so map is only our background actually. That is the main. So if still you want a visual border, you can add the visual border. There are other options are that you can explore that. Okay. So this is a called as a symbol map. Everybody done the symbol map by the way.
Yes.
So who is spending now? Let me know.
I just wanted to know that, like, in previous chart, we can see the like values. Like, is it possible that we can see the
Yeah,
value
yes,
in this
possible.
document?
Everything is possible. Yeah. If we go here, if we go to the formatting on visual, okay, then category label because this category label
Okay.
not explored because I thought that category label says data label. If you data label on,
Yes.
it will showcase the entire label now. So if you go to data label, okay, so data labels, so entirely search it, okay. Okay. So one way that you if you hover the mouse, will get the labels actually. You can ask me that why Dinesh we are not getting the labels under the year actually. See, we put the labels under the bubble, okay, not the any x or y axis, okay, on the location region. So we put the sales under the bubble size, so it is only in the bubble size. So you have to put an over, okay. That is the reason actually we're getting only the names of the state. We are not getting an option called the labels for the sales. Okay, clear for everyone?
Yes.
Now, if it I want to showcase the label, then what is it? What way that I have to check the labels? And see, if you want to check the labels, just zoom it and put the cursor. You'll get the labels. Okay, that is the only one way that. Now you can ask me that, hey Dinesh, then why we are not getting the labels on the map? Tell me anybody why we are not getting the labels on the sales label on the map. See, we are getting the map names, but we are not getting the sales label. Tell me the reason. Yeah. Tell me. I think long break they are given. See, if you
It,
go to the visual, right? See, we added the sales in the bubble size, not added anywhere. Okay. So if you add it in the bubble size, then it will be reflected on the bubble size only. Okay, not in the data label side, because we are not added any X or Y axis somewhere. So now this is overall the symbol map. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, copy this. Now just click on the map, field map. Okay, just increase the size of this. Okay, now I'll request to you guys the same way symbol map is created. No, this way we'll create now. Okay, now state. Okay, drag and drop the state into the values. One second. Click on the visual. Okay, drag the state into the location. Okay, now a region into the legend. So we get to the four parts. Region has been divided. Okay, now the tooltip. What we can showcase in the tooltip? You can showcase the tooltip and the sales. Okay, and whenever you put the cursor, it will be showcase the sales, state, region. So what is the difference between the symbol map and the field map? So what I'll do now, I'll use this, copy, I'll paste this, okay. I'll go to style, I'll just scroll down, I'll go to text. So what is the main name of this? Tell me. It is a field map, okay. So it's a field map. It is field map in the sense filled with the different colors, okay. Symbol map in the sense it is different. It is all about the bubble size symbol. That is why we given a name as a symbol map. Okay. So this is nothing but the field map. So when you put the cursor anywhere, it will showcase the region, state, and sum of sales. And the option will be the same here. Okay, if you click on the visual, the map setting, and you can get the same options of the aerial, dark, light, gray cycle. Option will be the same. Okay, controls also option also same. Zoom button, zoom in, zoom out. So you get the same options. What we getting option called symbol map. So just rename it and mention as a field map. Now symbol map and field map both are done now. Basic difference in the symbol map. The symbol map basically will
Um, Dinesh, you're not audible.
yeah, I thought it's only my network,
I was
I
also
guess.
getting doubt.
Dinesh need to join again.
Shovin, are you able to listen?
Yeah, I'm able to listen. He's mute, right?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Shovin, please convey to us what you're able to listen.
Because we are not able to.
Okay, okay, listen. This is what Dinesh was saying.
What?
Same thing, nothing. How many charts left? Any guess, bro? Like, no idea. So, yeah, think
More 20,
again
15,
20. Yeah.
20 charts.
Oh,
Why Shovin?
nothing. But it's
But
actually
this
quite.
world map is looking like in school days we used to have a social studies
Ah,
subject. World
yes,
map, India map.
correct.
We need to draw.
There we have to that much efforts for this map.
I thought in this class, this charts will be over, but again 20.
No, more. One or,
Yeah,
one or two class needed to finish it.
eh, but charts are quite easier, right? Like we can
Which,
explore from
yeah.
ourselves. Yeah,
I just wanted to tell the news to just tell us that this map is used for this purpose and that's the quality of the map. That's it.
yeah, that's it. Record the
Rest
use.
things
Why
we
is it
can
useful?
find
Yeah,
ourselves.
yeah. How
Because
it's useful? Like at what scenario we can use it like that? Yeah, that
yes,
is fine.
what is the use of like this map, uh, this map chart? So this is used to showcase that region wise how much sales you have done. Like for example, how much sales you have done. It gives you the value according to the region. So that's enough. The rest things we can do ourselves.
But each and every chat he's asking us to showcase us, and for that only the time is going. You know.
Shovin.
Yeah.
Okay, means depending on the situation, we use these charts. I think all of them we don't use.
Yes. Yes. Like for locations, if you have locations in our table, we can use map,
S-
and for dates we can use that. One map was there, right? Sorry, one chart was there, right?
Which
Uh,
chart?
yeah, that one.
For
One
date
like
line chart, you need a year
like so.
line
Yeah.
chart.
Yes. Yes.
Let's see. Let Dinesh join. We will. I'll speak with him regarding the same. Because more 20 charts are there. If we go with this, more two classes will go in that.
Yeah.
I think today he's having some network issue from the beginning. He's
Yes.
getting disconnected.
And we are in 5G. That every company is saying that we have launched 5G. Still, we are not getting the network. And actually, it was very surprising. Sometimes I'm not getting connected to the any network. Like I have like Wi-Fi in my home and I have mobile network. If I that home Wi-Fi is not working, I'll try to connect with my mobile phone. That also not work. I I mean, what I get surprised. Yeah, I I always say that कोई मिल गया आ रहा है, जादू आ रहा है. Only that time it happens.
I think if we have communicated with Jadu,
At least they must
who
have that.
in Dhoop you can find.
Yeah, our class in the evening now. That's why we are not getting network, proper network. To get the dhoop, we need to start the class in the morning. Then it's very difficult to join.
Very difficult. In this winter now, Dinesh only will be just coughing and he'll say,
First 2 hours he'll wait that everyone joins. Have you joined? What happened? Is Chavi is in the class.
"No,
Only
Chavi
three
is
of us.
not there. Only three of us are there."
Yeah, because Chavi has his contact number. We cannot contact him. We have to wait.
Uh,
Let's explore the other maps. What we have left.
Shobin, please take over the class.
Yes.
You may
Yes.
continue.
One.
I was
Over to
about
you.
to say that.
Shobin, over to you.
But I hope like if Dinesh joins again, I hope like this
Dinesh
won't be a reason
wanted
to.
me, he left Ray. He want you to explore them. He just
Oh,
paused.
okay.
He just
Okay.
messaged me, just no like ask Shobin to continue from there onwards.
No, no. Like I think it was an indirect way to like tell his favorite student Praful Bhai to
No, I'm
take
not
over
at all favorite. Who said that I'm favorite? For
No,
Dinesh,
miss
everyone is
continue in the
equal.
sense until 9:45 like that. You should continue from there onwards. Praful will take over.
No, not at all.
I think Dinesh will be like maybe he will like mm, take this delay as a reason. Oh, okay.
I can take over
When is
whatever he taught us.
hello hello?
From
When is
there,
Oh,
I can
disconnected?
take.
Yeah, when is disconnected? By the way,
Sorry.
when is disconnected? I don't know actually. I'm just explaining continuously. It is how much time it is done.
Oh my God.
It's a long bag.
Oh my god, actually, really
was
sorry
starting
actually.
field map
You,
only
you, you.
disconnected.
The last word is that the basic difference between field chat, field map, and that
Hey
was the
guys,
last
actually,
thing.
okay, do one thing, okay. Take my number, okay. It is very, going with somewhere actually. Okay. Take my number and just quickly ping me if something has happened like that. Okay. I already given number. Okay. Okay, now sorry guys, But field map is clear, no? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah?
The only basic difference is that it gets region wise.
Here you are telling difference between the both.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So we'll start with the field map. Okay. We will start with the scatter plot. So we're done with the symbol map. We're done with the field map. Okay, we go with the scatter plot. So entire the scatter plot I explained, right? Okay. You can see my screen, right? Everyone, confirm me seeing.
Yes.
Yes.
So till till here I explained everything, but I haven't checked that somebody's listening is not, because you guys are not responding me. So I thought everybody's listening. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'll do it again now. So the scatter plot actually, it will showcase the distribution between the two values. What are the two values? The values may be the sales, the values may be the profit, the values may be the discount, the values may be the quantity and commission. Okay. So this is that is it is nothing but the distribution that where you can use the two values to showcase the difference between that distribution, that to categorize that either this one is good and this one is top and this one is lowest. You can distribute the values with the two values, the sales and profit, discount, quantity, commission, anything. But that distribution has been done with the scatter plot. Till you understand everyone? Yeah, everyone
Yes.
clear? And it is almost 10 minutes or 15 minutes are done, right? How many minutes have been done after disconnecting it?
I think five ton in between.
5 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So please inform me, okay, before prior that. Okay. So now let's work on the scatter plot. Okay. Now go to choose the scatter plot, resize it. So we are just know that scatter plot we use to showcase the distribution between the values. Values may be the sales and profit and discount on quantity, anything. Okay. So what we'll do now, we will showcase distribution between sales and profit with respect to what subcategory. Okay. We use subcategory and sales and profit. We'll use this both. Okay. To showcase the distribution. Okay. So what I'll do now, so just search subcategory. Okay. Drag and drop into the values. Now this is the first step. Now profit, drag the profit into x-axis, okay, and drag the sales into the y-axis. Okay, till you're done, right? Till you're done here. Yeah. So what I've done here, subcategory into the values, profit into x-axis, y-axis into sum of sales. Okay, till done, right? Everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Now I'll distribute the category wise subcategory. So what are the subcategories are there in this scatter plot? Okay. If you see the scatter plot we have, okay. So whatever scatter plot we have, it is I want to know with the category wise. So what I'll do now, I'll go to category, okay, drag and drop into the drag the category and drop into the ledger. So when I drag and drop the category into the ledger, so we have furniture, office supplies, and technology. While furniture we have a blue color, we can check that. So what I done that I distributed the subcategories with the category wise in different colors. What I'll do now, I'll use the quantity in the bubble size. Okay, the size of the bubble. So if you see now, while subcategories phones, categories technology, profit, sales, quantity. So the bigger quantity, the bigger bubble size. Lower quantity, a lower size. So if you see here in the lines actually here. So wherever we are showcasing that, that is higher sales and profit. You can see that. Okay. So this is by the way, it is distributed the category wise. Now the scatter plot. Okay. So in the scatter plot, we have a animation, animation view. Okay. So the speciality of the scatter plot, we have animation is there. There are plenty of other charts here, but that will not allow you to do animation. Scatter plot allows you to do animation. For doing animation, you need a date column. Okay. So now what I'll do now, I'll go to order date. Drag and drop into the play axis. And this visual will come now. So when I click to on the visual now, the 3 January, 4 January, 5th January, it will changing slowly now. You can see now. Means each day wise sales and profit, it is showcasing that. But we have a 4 years of data. If I go with the day wise, the sales and profit, and it will take me the 4 hours of 5 years. Okay, 4 hours and 5 hours, it will be go maybe long. But I don't want to go with the day wise. I want to go with the only year wise. How we can do that? Go to order date and right click, use date hierarchy. When I use a date hierarchy, it is showcasing the year wise. Now what I'll do now, I'll go to start the visual. Now the animation, it is starting with the 2021, 18, 19, 20. You can again start the visual 18, 19, 20, 21. So that is the beauty of this visual, that where animation has been added. Now what the one thing is there is not formatting, it is not done by now as of now. What I'll do now, I'll do some formatting now. Okay. So I'll use this formatting. I'll go to format painter. I'll go to page one. I'll do the format. Okay. I'll do formatting here. So this is now looking good. I'll resize it. Okay. So this is looking the scatter plot look good, and start the visual now. The visual, it is showcasing the animation video. Okay. That animation video, a few seconds video that labels year wise showcasing that. So when I not go with the date hierarchy, it is showcasing me at the date wise. So I don't want the date wise, so I change to the year wise. So that is the beauty of this scatter plot. Okay. Clear everyone? Yeah, yeah, everyone. Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you understand in the chart? Okay, what do you understand and what you get this point to visualize this scatter plot? See, animation is there. Apart from the animation, what you like it? What highlights it showcasing that?
It's scattered. The data is completely scattered. I mean, you can see the this data as an year wise or date wise. In one map, you can see variations in the year wise data.
Okay. Any other points you want to add? Yeah. Shobin, any other points you want to add, Shobin? Hello. Full of silence, Mohammed, Shobin. What happened? Yeah, Shobin, Mohammed, are you there, right? These guys are there or
Yes,
just
yes.
like acting like that? Huh? Hey, just open the mouth actually. Understood or not? Hello, boys. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Okay. So basically, the scatter plot it is the distribution wise the values where values we can distribute that and showcase the sales and profit. The beauty of scatter plot where we can do add the animation here. So I've been added the animation, but this animation it is showcasing year to year wise sales. Okay, if you click the on the animation, it is see now how quickly I'm getting the sales and profit of 18, 90, 2021. So that is the beauty of scatter plot. If you want to try this, just try this. Okay. And how many of them they tried, let me know. Mohammed, Shabin, guys, you done right? Confirm me.
Done, 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 done.
Done.
Yeah, done.
So do you face any difficulties to creating a scatter plot?
No.
Okay. By the way, Mohammed, Shabin, you.
No, no,
Okay, those who watching
nothing.
recording videos, okay, you will get the PBX file to try it. Where after opening the PBX file, you can easily get to know that in the x-axis values, in the y-axis, in the legend, the size, the play axis, what I use it. Okay, and meantime, you get a difficulty, you can go and watch the recording as well. Okay, so now go ahead and create a new chart. So then now the scatter plot is done, the funnel chart and waterfall and ribbon chart, pie chart, donut chart, tree map, and the map, field map, and symbol map. Okay. Now come to the GUI chart. It is one of my favorite chart, which is I really love it. So basically, let's suppose if you go to any organization, let's suppose Praful, you will be working with the sales team. The sales team
Mm-hmm.
they will give the target, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they will give a definitely target to you. So target has been achieved or not. So you have to check that every time. So either you achieve either you achieve the target or not. Either achieve the how much you achieve the target. So that is a matters a lot. Now, now go to scatter plot and click on the visual. Just copy the visual now. And go to style, go to text. What is chart name, by the way? It is a Goet chart. See, it is kind of a speedometer. Okay. If you know the speedometer, right? I'll show you the speedometer.
Yes,
Okay. Anybody know speedometer?
yes,
Hmm?
everybody knows. Everyone
No,
has the
everybody.
vehicle. Everybody knows.
Everybody would know. I know that everybody is no, but nobody opening the mouth, right? So this is a speedometer. Okay. Okay. This is speedometer. It the graphical look and presentation also look like the same the speedometer as well. So go to the chart. So the name has been mentioned the quick chart. Again now drag the sales into the value. Okay. Now we are going to create a one calculation. Okay. What I'll do now, I'll go to click on the new measure. I'll go, I'll mention the target sales. So what is my target sales? So what sales we are done? Okay. So first write a sales, sum of sales, order sales. Okay. Click on this, just close the bracket now. So in the orders table, the sum of orders sales. Now what is it? What is the total sales we are done? Okay. 2.30 million sales we are done now, as of now. Okay. So, but what is my target now? Okay, my target is 1.25 ratio. Okay, so instead of double, I just want 1.25, or you can make it 1.5. It is better, right? So, so even I don't want double as well. Double it is very dangerous for the for the salesperson. You can make it double, but instead of 1.2.30, right? I want 1.50. Okay, the calculation you can do calculation as well. Okay, which is 75% if you calculate that. Yes or no? If you click on the Goet chart, okay, and just scroll down. So we get a minimum value, we get a maximum value. As of now, I don't have a minimum value and maximum value. I have only one value, is a target value.
Target value.
So target sales, I'll put target into the target value. Okay. Drag and drop into the target value. So what is my target? 3.45. And what you done the sales, tell me? 2.30 million. Did you achieve the target?
No,
Yeah.
no.
Why you're not achieving the target of me? Because the sales and the target, which is if we done the maximum sales, suppose what I'll do now. Okay, I'll go here. I'll go to the new measure, maximum sales. Suppose Shobin is done maximum sales. Okay, so I'm writing for maximum sales for Shobin now. So sum of, click on the sum of order sales. Okay, okay. So click on the sales and just 1 second. Okay. Now close the bracket, multiply by 2. I want double sales. Just click on 2. Okay. So that is a maximum sales has been done by Shobin. Okay. What I'll do now? So instead of target value, I'll remove the target value. Okay. I'll go to the scroll down. The maximum sales. Okay. In the maximum sales, I put a maximum value here. You can see that. 1 second. So maximum sales here, drag and drop into the target value. So exactly what he expecting, the 4.59 million sales is done that. So he is achieved the target. Correct no? Yes or no?
But why this blue color is not highlighting that complete sales, complete target?
So that is a line actually difference between this line and this line. This is the actual line. This is the target sales line. Okay. If you over the mouse, you'll get to know that sum of sales and maximum sales. So this is actually somewhere the line, the speedometer line. It is you achieve the target or not. That is showcased. So if you go to speedometer, right? This is the line. This is the line of what? How much speed you are going now. Either 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. The same way, how much the sales target you have been achieved. By the way, what I'll do now, the formula what I use to target sales. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, I'll put in the chat box. Okay, now the formula will be same for the both maximum and minimum. Okay, we just make it two. Okay, uh, so again I showed the two formulas. You can go and check it out. So this is the what the formula as well. Now everything is done perfectly, but only format is not done actually. So I'll go to scatter plot. I'll click on the visual. I'll go to format printer. Okay. I'll just format this visual now. Okay. So formatting has been done now. So this is all about the guide chart. Okay. So you can see here the guide chart. So you simply can rename it. Okay, done here. Now a very simple table. A simple table will cover now. This is actually we can call as a simple table, or you can say basic table. So the table don't have the much features, but we can cover as a basic table. Okay. I'll go to style. I'll just go to the text. I'll just change the name into the basic table. Okay. Now the basic table is very simple table. Okay. So we have only one option column called columns. Where you want to add n number of columns, there is no such a limitation is here. Suppose if I want to go with the category column, I'll add the category. I'll go to the city column. I'll go to the region column. Okay. Then I'll add the profit. Then I'll add the sales. Then I'll add the segment. Then I'll add the ship mode. So there is a n number of columns. I can add it continuously if you want. Okay. So go to product name. Okay, postal code. So there is a n particular columns we can add it here. Okay. Again, now this is a basic table where I can add it multiple columns. Okay. What I'll do now, I'll delete everything now. So I will add only the four columns. Okay. Category and one is subcategory. Okay. And the second is the sales and third is a profit and the fifth one is a discount. So this five columns is more than enough now to explain the basic table. So in the basic table, I haven't done anything. I just have the column. That's it. I haven't done any kind of magic here. But what is the pending now? So the pending is the we have to do the some formatting actually. Okay. So what kind of the present you want? The minimal border, okay, or you can the bold header you want, okay, or you want to go to alternating rows, or you want the contrast alternative rows, or you want flashy rows, okay. Flashy rows which is we use in the Excel actually, okay. If you go here, the flashy rows the same option we have in the Excel as well. 1 minute is not responding, I think. Okay. The same option flashy rows in there in this Excel as well. Okay. Now the same way you can go and bold header flashy rows, and we have different options. Guest passive, contents, which is we have formatting like an n number of formatting options we have. So the style present, how you present it. So that is it's up to you. Okay, now the coming to the grid lines actually. There's a grid lines actually they are given with the gray color size. Okay. And width is one. If you want to increase the width one, you can increase the size also. There is a width actually increasing now. Okay. So go to vertical guidelines. If you see that, we get the same. If we to put the word width 3, then you can put here as well. Then not is looking good, right? Or else you can make it 2, 2. It is okay now. Okay. Now go to format and visual. Okay. Vertical guidelines has been done. Border. Okay. So wherever you want the border. Okay. So if you want the what is the border color? Okay. So if you can choose a border color as well, and the border you want top, I want bottom, okay, I want left, I want right. So now see if you see now the entire table are designed from basic table to formatting add-in now. So if you go to the formatting now, if you see that it is looking perfectly now. What option I choose it? I go to formatting, go to grid option now. In the color I use gray color here for the horizontal. For a vertical, I use a gray color. For a border, also I use a gray color. Okay. You can see now. What we can do now, two width and two width. So you can do vertical two width actually, because it is overall the from everywhere it is look like same. I can explore the options as well. Row padding. What is a row padding actually? So the row padding when I'm working with the project, right? I use definitely because it will increase the space of the table. If you increase the row padding, right? Now slowly one, two, three. It is if you see now it is increasing the space of the table now. See now the table has been big. Now 4, 5, you see table size has been increased now. So it will add the space in the table. Okay. If you don't want the row padding, just minus it now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Automatically 0. Simple. So if you want to add the space, one or two space, one or two, it is okay fine now. The global font size, you can increase it 111 to, okay. So this is about global font size actually, where you can increase the size or decrease the size. Make sure that the font size should be same for everywhere, okay. What you're using header and everywhere. So it is look good and look perfectly. Now column header has been given here. Column header you can choose the background color or you can change the background color as well. If you want the background color of this, or you can use this background color, or you can use different as background color. So what you can do, you can use a gray color background color and you can use text color, uh, black, okay, which is mostly look good. Okay. Now what I done, because the gray color lines for the border, gray color header, which is look good, and what we can do, just bold it. It is look good now. Okay, we'll make it the middle. Okay, total option. So total option also we have. So total option background color we can change it and we can make it the gray color. Okay, the same gray color what we use it here. Okay. Now total option gray color. Now we can make it the black color. Make it bold. Okay. So this is look like the same. Now specific columns we can change category, subcategory, where you can apply to header. We can do all the things like middle, alignment, right alignment. So you can do all the alignment changes here. So this is all the options we have while do the formatting. Now you can remove that. This is the basic formatting I done before after creating a table now. So this is the table has been created with formatting. Okay. So I'll again create a one more table, basic table. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll go to category, subcategory. Okay. Sales, profit. Okay. Discount, quantity, or discount itself fine. Okay. Now you can remove the cursor now. So this is before and after. You can see that before formatting and after formatting, how much difference is there? So we can see the number of options we have in the formatting. Okay, if I explore the formatting only, right, you can get to now minimum half an hour, 1 hour you can spend it here. So what I'll go now, what I'll style present, you can just go the minimal now, how it will look like now. If we go to the bold header, it will see bold header, or else you can go to the alternative rows, or else you can go to the flashy rows. Okay. So default in the sense what we are done previously, now it will be default the same case. Concurrence, which is you can go and you can choose it here. Suppose I don't want anything none, you can make it none. Okay. None in the sense we are in the same phase. Okay. What we have done previously. But formatting as of now we done previously, that would be showcase the same thing. If you go to formatting, style present, but this minimal actually it is good actually. Let me know what you're thinking about this. You like the minimal option? Hello.
Not this
Praful.
one, the dark one.
Which one you like actually? Hmm?
Dark one.
Okay. Which one you like? Tell me. Style present?
Bold header,
Bold header. Okay,
flashy
good.
row, flashy row, bold header, flashy row.
Flashy rose. Okay, good, good. Okay, flashy is also good actually. Okay, whatever size style you can choose. If you don't want the flashy rose anything, click on the none. It will be become the same formatting what we have done the formatting previously now. So this is a basic table formatting and basic table, nothing but anything now. Okay. So there is not anything in the basic table is created.
I get habitual
Now,
of
what is the
flashing
next
things.
table now? So the next, yeah,
I'm not
tell
habitual
me,
of
Profit is
flash.
flashy rose. I thought. Huh?
Yes, every time I make
So the,
with
I told
that
you, the
only.
flashy rose we have an Excel option. I know that because you guys are working in the corporate, so you may be using the flashy rose, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's because the same option is there in the Excel as well. The flashy
Yes.
rows. You don't believe it to me. When I used to work in the different projects, no, I used to the same flashy rows, and I also okay the flashy rows here. Okay, Control A. Okay, table entire table selected, and go to insert. Okay, go to table now, and my table is already header. Click on OK. Now see the flashy rows. I'll just increase the size of this. Now see the flashy rows. The same flashy rows it will reflecting that what flashy rows reflecting here as well in the
Yeah.
Power BI. You can see now there is no difference in the flashy rows from Power BI to
And
Excel. Okay, now go to the next table now, which is my interesting table. So they copy this and go on matrix table now. So the table name is matrix style text and matrix table. The matrix table, which is I personally like the matrix table. Okay, so use a matrix table for more dynamic way. So I personally prefer the matrix table only instead of the basic table. Okay, so let's do it. So there is a in the in the matrix table we have an hierarchy. Okay, so we can showcase the hierarchy option we have. So we have a customization. We can do that. So matrix table is more dynamic. Okay. Okay. So let's do it now. Category. Okay. I will add into the I will add the category into the columns. Okay. I'll drag and drop the category into the columns. I'll drag and drop subcategories into the rows. Okay. Now I'll put profit. I'll put sales. Then I'll put discount here. Okay. I'll put quantity as well. So by the way, this is with respect to category and subcategory wise, showcasing the sales, profit, discount, quantity, sales, profit, discount, quantity. Okay. Because in the column section, I added the category. Suppose, this actually view, it is showcasing that we don't want to, this view. What you can do that? Drag the category into the before subcategory. Now drag and drop here. Now category, subcategory. Okay, the segment. Drag the segment into the rows and category, subcategory, segment. And then you can add the region as well. Okay. Then you can go for the customer name as well. Okay. Then you can go for the product name as well. So what I'll do now, okay. Now there is a one more column if you want to go for that. You can go, the product ID or product ID something, you can go and put into column. Or else you can just put like that, which another column something. Okay. 1 second. Okay, this is enough now. Okay. As of now, focus it. Now, if you see this category into the row, subcategory into the row, segment into the row, a region into the row, customer name into the row, and product name into the row. Okay. So see now one by one. And then what are the values we already here in the values? Okay. So values we have sales, profit, discount, and quantity. Okay. Sales, profit, discount, quantity. Okay. So category, what are the we added in the rows? Tell me. One is a category. Yes, category added. Then subcategory we added. Then segment. Then region. Then customer name we added. Then product name. But in the my table, what it's showcasing that? It is showcasing the category, profit, sales, discount, quantity. But where is subcategory? Huh? Where is segment? Where is region? Where is product name? And where is customer name? So now here the concept is start with the hierarchy.
Much.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is the hierarchy. What we call as a hierarchy. So we can do drill down, okay, and drill up. So first we drill down and drill up. Okay, how we can do drill down and drill up? So basically we have this option. You can turn on drill down. Okay, next level of hierarchy and expand on all the level of hierarchy. As of now, I'll go here, click on the drill down. When I click on the drill down, okay, so see, automatically I'm getting the subcategories. Okay, so drill up, again drill down. Okay, again drill down, region wise. So customer name wise. Now drill up, customer name, region, segment, subcategory, and category. So if you see, this is a drill down and next level. Suppose you want to go with one level of hierarchy, click on this. So this is furniture with respect to bookcases, means category with subcategory. Then you click on this. So you'll get the segment. Again, click on this. You'll get the region. You again click on this. You'll get the customer name. But you don't wait dislike it. Just drill up, drill up, drill up, drill up. Now suppose I want to go with the next level in the hierarchy. So what is the next level? Okay. After category, then what is come? After
Subcat.
category, subcategories come. Click on this. So automatically Subcategory wise, sales, profit, discount, quantity. So what is my next level of hierarchy? Tell me.
Segment.
Okay, good. Click on this. We're getting a segment wise profit, sales, and discount quantity. So what is the next level of hierarchy here? After this, region. Click on this. We get the region wise profit, sales, and discount quantity. Okay. So what is the next level of hierarchy then? Customer name. The customer name. So that is the last level of hierarchy. Suppose I want to go with the main table, original table, then what you can do now? Drill up, drill up, drill up, drill up, drill up. Okay. Still, if you see, still I done drill up, still look at the gray color now. Now I'm clicking drill up, nothing is happening because that is the last level of hierarchy. Now, furniture, office supplies, technology. So you understood drill up, drill down. Okay. So this is the something which is the drill down one level of hierarchy. Means it is showcasing the all the values with respect to furniture. Now click on that furniture and subcategories. But when I showcase the this way one level of hierarchy, that time category it is not showcasing that. Only showcasing subcategory. When I put the expanding in all the level, it is showcasing category and subcategory. If you put on the minus point, it will be add. If you click on the plus point, it will be showcase. Okay. So what I'll do now again click on the drill down one level of hierarchy. Now see now furniture, office supplies, technology. Okay. So again click on the plus furniture with respect to what? Subcategories. Okay. So again click on the consumer. I'll get the central east south region. Again click on the central region. I'll get the each customer name of the central region with respect to that category and subcategory and that segment. And in that segment, we have a central region. So drill down the hierarchy. What hierarchy will you want to use it? So you want to drill up, just simply drill up, drill up, drill up, drill up, drill down, drill down, drill down. Okay. So this is the next level of hierarchy. If you want to use it, you can use it. So mostly which one is preferable now? Okay. The preferable one is it the this one, which is the expanding the all down the level of hierarchy. You can click on the all down. You can just plus and minus it. Suppose you don't want to showcase, just minus it. Okay. And suppose you want to showcase, just plus on the technology and plus on the accessories and plus on the consumer. That's it. And plus on the central region. Which is it? Which particular on the technology? In the technology, we have a subcategory called accessories. In that particular subcategory called access, we have a segment called consumer. In the consumer segment, we have central region. In that central region, we have some these many customers we have. So how much deeper level of hierarchy? You can't imagine, right? So this is a drill down and drill up, which is I personally love it. Okay. Now this is come to time with the formatting now. Go this visual, do the format printer, click the formatting. Now do the formatting as of now. Okay. The formatting has been done now. So just one level of I click on the one level of hierarchy. See now, I'm getting that automatically every time. Okay. So if you go to the level of hierarchy, then you can do that as well. So the level of hierarchy subcategory, then segment, then region, then customer name, then if you see the level of hierarchy, it will not be drilled down with respect to what you're expecting in the furniture. But if you want to real drill down, then you can go the using this. So when I use furniture, under furniture we have bookcases. They are the values. Okay, we click on the bookcases. We have consumer corporate home office. Under the consumer, We can drill down the central region. What are the values? Under the central region, we can see Aaron Bergman 54 profit we get in the central region, in the consumer segment, in the bookcases subcategory and categories of furniture. That is a real beneficial thing when we use a drill down concept. Okay. So this is which is I really love the drill down and drill up the concept. So let me know how many of them they understand the concept and they love the concept now. Yeah.
Yes.
So what do you understand the matrix table first? Tell me. In the matrix table, drill down, drill up, level of hierarchy is there. Okay. Now if you click on the table, you tell me which level of hierarchy you will prefer. Okay. Now this one you prefer, or this one is preferred, or this one. This is the next level of hierarchy in the sense it is drilled down for only particular subcategories. What if I want to go with drill up and what I'll choose the next level of hierarchy? In the furniture, we have a bookcases, and if we click on the plus, again it will get a segment. Usually, industries prefer this one, expanding all the down one level of the hierarchy. Okay. So, do you like the matrix table now?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. So, matrix table is one of the uh, dynamic table, which is we get values we get. Now, when we work, we click on the technology, right? Click on the copiers and click on the corporate and click on the east region. Then in the east region, we have these four customers we have. But when I put the filter, how much time it will take? Tell me. It will take me minimum 3 to 5 minutes minimum, correct? No? Yes or no?
Mhm.
So when I do the filtering part, this how much time it will take? Tell me. Minimum.
5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes.
The same filtering has been done in the matrix table. Okay.
Max. Extraordinary.
So that is the beauty of matrix table. Okay. So go to the next now. So as of now, what we covered now, symbol map, field map, scatter plot, God chart, basic table, matrix table. Now decomposition tree, which is one of my all-time favorite, is it? So it's kind of the decomposition tree which we use it. What purpose we use decomposition tree? I'll explain. So you want it in the time for this? You want to prepare the matrix table now? Yeah. I already prepared the matrix table. What is it update about you, everyone?
Done.
Then what about Mohammed? You guys done?
Nothing is
Mohammed,
doing.
you're done, right? Or you're doing?
Matrix I'm doing.
Okay. So in your time, I will wait for 2 minutes then. Shebin, what status about you?
Yes, same 2 minutes. Done.
Okay. It is done, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll wait for Mohammed, then I'll go ahead to the next chart. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll not do anything. Okay. I'll not prepare the chart. I'll just rename the chart and everything. Okay. Okay. So the name is decomposition tree. So, and today we'll cover n number of multiple charts. Okay, I don't, I know that sometimes, 5 or 6 minutes has been wasted. So because of internet, it's been disconnected. So even I'm not aware about that. So I'll cover it that. Okay. And after decomposition tree, we will cover the cards. Okay, the cards and slicer we'll cover. Okay. Then we will cover about the, today we will end up the visuals. We will cover each visual. We will cover customized visual. Okay. So we'll cover all those things. Okay. So done, everyone? Yeah, done. Yes or no?
Done.
Mama, under done, right, Mohammed?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now decomposition tree. Go to click on the decomposition tree. And where is the decomposition tree? Here is the decomposition tree. Okay. So this is the chart of decomposition tree. So decomposition tree analyze by, explain by. What I'll do now, I'll use subcategory analyze by, okay, explain by sales. Okay. I'll go to sales by analyze. I'll go to explain by subcategory wise. Okay. Total sales amount this and explain by click on the plus icon. Okay. Subcategory. So what I'll do now, with respect to subcategory, I want to go for the each segment as well. Explain by segment as well. I will click on the phones. I'll click on the segment now. So in the phone section, which is my topmost sales, what are the segments now? So in the segment, I can click on the region. I'll put it into the explain by. Okay. Drag and drop. 1 minute. Now, if I click on the plus icon, now explain region by. So what you understood in this chart, okay? So this is a decomposition tree, okay? Where my sum of sales, which is the top category sales, is phones. Under the phone, we have a consumer, corporate, home office. How the sales amount has been distributed with the phone, chairs, storage, tables, blinders, and machine. And what is my top one category? That is the phone. In the phone, how it distributed with respect to segment. So 3,30,000 we are getting right. So that is a 1,16,000 consumer corporate home office. And where are we getting this much of amount? You can go with the east wise, you can go with the west wise, you can go with central wise, you can go to south wise. So you can check that in the each way. If with this line, if you click on the line, so see this line it will highlight. Okay. If you click on this will highlight. Okay. Now this is it nothing but the decomposition tree. Okay. Suppose now you remove this segment and region. Dinesh, what if I want, what is my lowest category? I'll check that. My lowest category is the fast runs. I'll click on the fast runs. Okay. I'll click on the region. Okay. So you can go and the fast runs, the 3024, which is the lowest I'm getting in the south region. Okay. In the south region, you can check this segment. What are the lowest segments we are selling now? Either we can do the stop selling and we can, either we can think about that, what is happening in the south region. So any
Okay.
particular subcategories you can use it, or else you want the uh, copies or any. Suppose if I want to go this, if I want to go to right, you can use up arrow, down arrow. You can use up arrow for this and down arrow for this. Now let's suppose a particular subcategory. Let's suppose we have tables. If we click on the plus table, right, you can click on the segment or region. what I'm telling that you can just click on the region. So what are the on a tables 2,06,965 where I'm getting the highest value. You're getting in the highest value in the West region. So for the which segment, you can go to segment that you're getting for the consumer, not consumer segment, you're getting that. So this analysis, it is done by the decomposition tree. Okay. Did you like this, everyone? Hmm? Decomposition tree. I thought you liked this decomposition tree. Just try it, no? Hello?
But I guess this
Yep.
Okay. Decomposition tree. So, see, suppose I'll remove this. Whatever the particular subcategories, you can choose it. Okay, it is not particular one particular subcategory. Suppose if you want to go with the art, you can go with the segment, and in that segment we have 14,251. We are getting highest. In that segment, you can choose which region we are getting that. So we're getting the west region. So you can do next level as well. What is the next level? See now, if you go to the explain by, you can add the state as well. Okay, drag the state and put into the explain by. So this is something which is the next level of hierarchy. So in the west region, which state? If you click on this plus icon, click on the state. Now it is getting the state names as well. That is the next level of hierarchy, which is you don't believe it to me. Now, if you want the one level of hierarchy as well, we can go to one level of hierarchy. Let's suppose, something the customer name. Which customer name, which category is purchasing that, under the which subcategory you can do with that as well. So this is actually I personally love the decomposition tree. So deeper to deeper that you can extract the information and you can understand the insights of the information with the help of decomposition tree. See, others are they good, but the next level of insights, decomposition tree, you can give it to me. It is deeper down, deeper you can go it. Okay. So the links actually you can see from arts to consumer to waste. That is decomposition. Okay, clear for decomposition to everyone? Any doubt?
no.
No, good, good. Okay, now we'll go with the next chart. Okay. So this is something the card actually. Okay. So the card which is mostly we use this card, for the KPI cards we use it. This is number card. Okay. Where we choose it, this is a number card. Number card, text card, whatever purpose you can use, it is simply called as a card. Okay. So suppose you put the sales here, drag and drop, you can put the sales here. And suppose I'll put the target sales, which is we created that. You can drag and drop target sales into here, we get the target sales number. So whenever why we use these KPI cards? See, the KPI cards we use it to showcase the exact number in the report. So that time we need these cards. That is the reason that KPI cards we are showcasing that. So now let's suppose I don't want target sales. Then let's suppose now what if no, I'll go with the category then. Can you go with category as well? Suppose You want to go with subcategory as well, you can go subcategory as well then. Okay. And suppose what I want sum of sales, right? You can go sales, drag the sales, and I'm getting the sum of sales. Now you can ask me, Dinesh, automatically I'm getting sum of sales, but I don't want sum of sales. I want average sales. You can go in average sales. You can click on the drop down and you can use average sales. Simple. Or you want a minimum sales, you can go the minimum sales. Or you want maximum sales, you can want maximum sales. So the maximum sales we had done 22.64K. Okay. Again, now this is a very, very simple text card. Now, what are the other options we have in the formatting? In the callout, you can go and choose the all the options we have. Okay. So the category label also you can go and use the different colors and different labels. Okay. So we have an effects. You can go to the effect background color we have white. If you want to change the background color of the card, so simply go to change the color again. So if you have a different colors, you can choose a color and you can use it as a background color. Okay. Date format, you can change the data format as well if you want. So you can just scroll down. Okay. The format which you want, general number, decimal number, currency, percentage, whatever you want the format, you can use it. So the other options you can explore that. By the way, this we called as a card actually. Okay. Again, now this is very simple and very easy. Right? Okay. This is not something which has been a lot to explain in the card. Very less to explain, but it is very useful when we're creating a report. I can say it's very lot to we can cover in the lot many things when we using this the text card. So now as of now all the visuals I explained them. Okay. So now let's try to use some customized visuals. For the customized visual, I need to log in my organizational account. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll sign in. I'll log in my organizational account. Okay. So which is my organization account? Where is my organization account? So here, what I'll do now, okay, you guys also want to create the organization account, right? So better now, I will create in the front of you organization account, okay? One second. Meanwhile, I'll not waste my time. Meanwhile, I'll log in this page, okay? Okay, the account has been logged now. You can see Dinesh Chilka, okay? My name. So what I'll do now, the account has been logged now. This is not something organization account. Okay, it is not my personal account. Okay. So now you are using the Power BI service account now. Now go to get more visual. Get more visual now. Now get more visual in the sense you can use customized visual where the someone is created and these all are paid. Okay, some things are paid and something get a free as well, but mostly you're getting free lesser. Okay, but mostly the all we are using third party visuals, right? These are the paid only, but we can use the free as well. Let's see now, and which we are seeing that the sunburst icon map and a performance zebra BI tool. There are a lot to explore. That there are many other there are many things are there where third party tools, third party visualization tools we have. Okay, where you can use as a customized visual. Okay, So there are many things. If we scroll down, there are many things. Out of this, I'll explain you some of the visuals, how to use it. If you have an organization account, then definitely. And this after this, entire these things has been done, we will create a simple free account of an organization. So how to create a free account and everything, I'll explain you as well. So as of now, I'll open a one free account. As of now, we'll create a one customized visual. Okay. So let's search it once again. So what I'll do now here, I'll just scroll down. Okay. Drill down PyPro, which is the paid actually. This actually, which is I love this actual drill down PyPro, which is uh, company under the Zoom chart. They will provide this actually customized visuals. By the way, this is not free at all. This is the paid only. If you go to plans and pricing, you can get to know that. Okay. And as of now, I'll add it. So what is this name here? I will add the customized charts. Customize chart. Okay. Now I'll use a drill down pro and I'll just maximize it. Okay. So now what I'll do now, I'll use the category. Okay. 1 second. I'll put the sales. Okay. Now what I'll do now, category under the category values under sales. Okay. But there one more thing I'll do. I'll add subcategory under category level. I'll add this segment after subcategory. I'll add the region. Okay. By the way, this chart which is I'm creating now, this is not a free chart. This is a paid chart, and this is you have to pay. See, if you see now, when I start a free trial 30 days, which is actually it is not a free chart, but for the explaining purpose, I'm explaining you. Okay, I'm not purchasing the any chart now. Again, now what I'll do now, when I click on the technology, okay, if you see now, automatically subcategories it is showcasing me. When I click on the phones, it is showcasing me the segment. When I click on the consumer, it is showcasing me each region. Okay. So what if I want to go to back? Then what is the button here? If you see the back button under the circle, if you click on the button back button, you'll get the back. Again, click on the back button, get the back. Gain the back. So if you click on the furniture, you'll get to know there are the total furniture under the we have a four subcategories: table, bookcases, furniture, and chairs. Now, what is the furnishing here? Let's check it out. Under the furnishing, we have three categories, three segments we have. Under the three segments, we have home office segment. Click on the home office. Under the home office, which region we are performing good. East region we are performing good. But central and south, we are not performing good. What we can do, go to back, go to back, go to back. Now this is the very customized chart. This is I cannot prepare myself. This is something that third party has been done, but I can use it for my organization if I'm ready to pay this chart. Okay. I personally love this kind of customized charts actually. I love this customized, how they are done, how they create the customized charts. Do you want to go one more chart, the customize? Yeah.
Yes.
Let me know many charts we can cover if you want more customized charts.
Make sure that it should not charge you.
No, no, it will not charge me because if you go here, I'm not purchasing any license here. Now you can ask me, Dinesh, you are using the chart, but it will not cost me. See, they are the logo of the Zoom chart. There is a logo of Zoom chart. Because of this logo, no, I cannot showcase the client. So it is not usable to anyone. But I can use it to education, no?
Yeah, yeah,
Correct, no?
correct.
That is the reason actually. Now we'll go for one more. At least we can cover more customized charts now. Get more visuals, and let's try to cover more customized charts. See, there is a plenty thousands of customized charts. If you go and explore that, so there are plenty of charts. We have customized charts. Let's see now which is the which is the I personally like or something. Now what we do now sunburst chart, which is something the donut chart. Okay, so something donut chart like that. Click to add it. And by the way, whenever you're adding sunburst chart or something, the company name you can check that where you're adding it. You know, if you see the company's name, Truvis Inc. Okay, the company name. So that is a third party company name, which is we use it. Okay, so you can use sunburst chart and just try to the perfectly aligned it. Now the same way you can use category, subcategory, okay, a region, okay, then you can use customer name. Customer name would be more complicated actually. You can use segment only because we have plenty of customer names, right? Which has been we cannot use it. Now just scroll down. What are the measures? Means the values. The values you can use sales. Simple. Drag the sales into the measure. Now my visual it is reflecting now. Okay. So how the visual it is reflecting now. Okay. Now you can see this. Get a license means to use this product, I mean, this visual, you need a license. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll remove the somewhere the segment or else region as I remove it. What I'll do now, I'll remove subcategory then. If it is look clearly now, okay. Now so otherwise you will not look the clearly chart. This is sunburst chart actually, where furniture 742K, technology in the east region, in the west region. So this is the way that I can use the sunburst chart. But there is no back button here. There is no something which is a drill down, a drill up something which is we previously done in the customized chart. So that kind of an options we have in this chart. So this is also covered the this is we can put the name sunburst chart. Okay. So do you want to cover more chart? Still let me know.
No, that's enough.
Yeah.
About the customized chart.
Do you want to cover more
Yes.
customized charts? Yes or no? Mohammed, Raful, Shabin.
No, I had with the customized chart. That's enough.
So you're enough with the customized chart?
Yes, I get it.
What about Mohammed, Shabin? So here is it when you go to get more visuals, right? So there's a number of visuals you will choose and try to work on the visuals. When it is useful, if we have you want to go for customize option, definitely go that visuals and try to create it. So that options we have the same options. So you can go and create the customized visuals, which is I personally love the customized visuals. Okay. So you can go and create the customized visuals if you want. See, it is look like the same visual, but it is just some more different. Okay. Um, it is, see, now this is card actually, which is somewhere different visualization. Now this is a Pareto chart. If you see the Pareto, this is the technometer, which is a COIC chart. If you see that, we use the same chart as a COIC chart. Okay.
Like a
Let's see now. If you
yeah.
just scroll down, this will look like the COIC chart. So there is nothing more difference will be there. So so if we just scroll down, we get a more visuals actually. Um, and this is a pack bubble chart. Let's see this bubble chart now. So today we will cover end of the visuals. Now I'll cover all the visuals. Even it will take me 10 minutes, 15 minutes more. It's fine, but we'll cover that. And one more suggestion I'm expecting from your side, guys. I want to take the session on Saturday, okay? Because one day actually I'm not there because of the health issues. What do you want think about the on Saturday's class? What do you think about that? Boys,
I'm ready.
you are
Saturday.
ready. What about Mohammed and
Yes.
Shobin? And why the Rajkumar is not joining and why the Ankit is not joining? See, call them, okay? Call them and tell them, sir has to be, given the instruction to join the class regularly, okay? If you have a number, call them and give the instructions to them. So we are imported successfully. See the bubble chart, pack bubble chart. This is a bubble chart, okay? What we use, let's use the bubble chart now. See. This is actually XYIZ company actually. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll use as a bubble chart. Okay. In the legend, I'll use subcategory. Okay. Drag and drop into the legend and values into the sales. Okay. Again now, these are the subcategories actually. Subcategories by sales. Okay. So in the legend, you can add the category as well. Okay. So this is a way, or you can remove as well. So you can see that this is bubble chat actually. Phone, chairs, storage, table, blinders. See, this is the highlighted. This is a very simple bubble chat actually. Okay. So there's a nothing is new actually. There's a bubble chat. So if you want to go to more visuals, simply go to get more visuals. There are plenty of more visuals. If you want to try it yourself, try it, and understand how is it work, you can try it definitely. Again now, see. Aster plot, which is Aster plot. Let's see Aster plot now. And this is the last chart, okay. This is the last chart. We'll cover the Aster plot, and let's stop this class. Okay. I know, guys. It is for going at it is it more time for you. This is the last chart here. We'll cover and enter the all the customized visualization and under the basic visualization, which is more than the 30 to 35 charts as of now we covered actually. Okay. So wait for a few minutes. It will be added. Okay. Mohammed, are there, right?
Yes, yes.
What about Shobin, are there? Shobin, hello, Shobin. My dear Shobin, can you unmute yourself? Okay. Don't be sleepy. It is the last chart, and we will cover this chart and we will close this class. Okay. Now this is the last chart of master plot. Okay. The name is Astor plot. It is same like the donut chart, but its look maybe different actually. So if you see the Astor plot, when I click on the visual now, so if you go and click on the visual, okay, and just move up x-axis, y-axis category. Under the category, you can do region-wise profit if you want. Okay, okay. Region-wise profit, drag the region into the category. Okay, profit into the y-axis. Okay. Now this is actually Astor plot look like that. Data labels you can on it. Okay. Legend also you can use it. Okay, center labels, detail labels. Okay, and where I can go it and you can use detail labels as well. And outer line. So outer line if you want, and the pie color, which is color you want, what color you can use it. You can change the color if you want, gulabi color, or if you want the navy blue color, which you want, whichever color you can use it. But look like this is the hashtag plot actually. If you click on this will be highlight, this will be highlight. If you remove the cursor, it will be not be highlight. Okay. The very simple raster plot, which has been, I say that it is a very basic chart. So this is also paid actually. I don't believe it to me. This is also paid actually. This is an raster plot. Does it look like the bubble chart only? See, this chart and the donut chart is nothing more difference here. Only that it will be one slice will be big and one slice is small and one slice is very big. So that is a difference in the raster plot. So how many charts we covered? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, total 12 charts we are covered. Okay, I don't know. So okay, we can stop the class then. Okay. So as of now, all of the charts being covered now. Tomorrow will be the data modeling part and data modeling, then DAX will complete it. And most probably Saturday I will take a class because we have to cover the syllabus as well. After the Power BI, we'll have to start the Excel as well. No? I'll cover the Excel of advanced Excel functions. I'll cover it, all the functions, which is mostly useful for data visualization. I'll cover the entire advanced Excel thing. Then most probably this end of the month we will cover entire this batch with the interviews. I'll give the time for the interviews as well. So most probably your mock interviews will be start with the third of week. Okay. Hello everyone. Are you ready, right? The mock interviews? Yes or no?
Third of Feb.
No, not Feb. Third of week
Third
actually.
of Feb.
Second, third of John actually. Third week of John. So whatever
Okay.
the mock interviews and everything it will be done in this month only. Okay. Start the preparation with the SQL. Start the preparation of the Power BI as well. So I will keep because now Power BI we already covered the 60 to 70% syllabus. Now there is a not much to cover to Power BI. But Power BI main thing we covered the Power Query, then we covered the visualization, 35 visualization, 35 visuals we are covered. Almost 4 days. Of the 4 days we are covered the all the visualization. with the customized visualization and with all charts of visualization we are covered now. Now data modeling concept, DAX is there, and Power BI service. How to use a Power BI service account? That is one more there. Row level security is there. That's it. Then we will start with the. This will be this all the concept we can cover within 3 to 4 days or 5 days maximum. Okay. So the Power BI will be finished, but mostly focus I can giving on the Power Query and Power Visualization. If you see the recording videos, Power Query has spent it 7 days and the
Yeah.
visualization for 5 days. And I'll put a time on more time on the DAX query now. DAX is very, very important. How we start with the M language query, right? This is also the same way, DAX. Okay. So DAX stands for data analysis expression, where you can write the formulas. Now, if you go to Power BI, okay, if you remember the God chart, okay, in the God chart, we use the maximum sales, correct? No.
Yes.
So this is what formula as per what you know, this is formula. There's nothing but the DAX formula, okay? So this is nothing but a DAX actually, which is we are not started the concept, but we are going to start with the concept now. So where we are covering with the, one second, yeah, where we covering the measures and calculations, how we can create a measures columns as well. What type of entire DAX formulas I'll try to cover it. Then we'll go for data modeling, DAX, Power BI service, and row level security. This will be covered. That's it. Because entire Power BI it will be finished. So tomorrow will be cover data modeling part. How this data modeling it will works. Detail entire tomorrow will be covered for data modeling. Then go with the DAX, then go with the Power BI service. In a Power BI service, I'll try to cover 1 or 2 days how to share with the client and how to share with the client for a particular report. So we'll create a dummy account for the Power BI service. Okay, I will explain how to create a dummy account for tomorrow. Okay? It's already late. So this is a plan for my end of the
Absolutely.
January. We will cover the syllabus. Okay. Not only syllabus, end of the January, they will cover the mock interviews, everything. So the next month onwards, you're not going, you're not no need to join the class as well. But actually, I feel that you guys, put the more efforts. Okay. So, do you ready for the mock interviews, by the way?
Yes.
And how many of them they
We
are
are not
ready for the mock
prepared.
interviews?
We are not prepared, but we are ready to face the mock interview.
No, actually, what I'm thinking that Praful, see, when I'm saying the mock interviews, you are ready. What I'm expecting that you at least give me some question and answer to me. Otherwise, it is if you otherwise the mock interview session will be recorded. Then see, I need to prepare. I just want to know that suppose I'm taking mock interview from for you, sir, for you. So just be in touch with me and try to understand that do the mock interview questions and everything. I'll give the question and everything. I'll be the asked with the same questions. Yeah, I know will be question and answer will be more. I think more of the 100 question or 200 questions will be there. So SQL questions I'll give it to you. Power BI questions I'll give it to you. I just want to try to put the effort. Please be try to put more efforts. Okay.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yep.
See, I don't know that those watching the recording videos, they also want to interest to putting in the mock interview because they are not joining in the classes. Then how can I believe that they will join the mock interviews? Yes or no? See, you don't believe it to me. If I'm correct, that after the Happy New Year, right? Only 3 guys are joining. One is Shobin, Praful, Mohammed. Ankit is not joining. Rajkumar is not joining. Anybody is there apart from Ankit and Rajkumar?
Sharath.
Narendra.
Oh, Sharath and Narendra. Right? These guys are never joined actually, which is I try to ask every time, but these guys has never joined actually. Okay. Anyways, actually, I'm uh, I'm ready to give the support. I'm ready to give the all the support. But if you just try to communicate with me at least, okay, guys, please communicate with me that how can I get to know that what are you facing in difficulty? Okay, so do you want to just start with the preparation? Okay, please start the preparation and call the Ankit, call the Rajkumar, tell them start the preparation for SQL now. Okay, then once SQL will be done, when the Power BI will be done, then Power BI preparation will be started. So once what I'm requesting that no, I'll give the time. Okay, if you want more time, I'll give them more time. The syllabus will be covered, but separate mock interviews I'll take from my with respect to. But only one thing is that you guys, mostly if I suppose an example, uh, in the end of the January, I want to finish all the mock interviews. So this is you have to do preparation right now. So please start the preparation for SQL as of now. So once Power BI will be finished, Power BI will be finished within a 5 to 6 days. So almost the Power BI started almost 14 days back. Okay. So you can go and check the watching the recording videos. You will get the more clarity what we are doing there. Each concept I'm putting a lot of efforts. So visualization under it is a data visualization day 4 or day 5 thing. That many visuals we are covered. 35 visuals we are covered with customized visuals. So see, I will put all the effects, but when at the mock interviews, right? I don't want to be, when I'm going to ask the questions to you, I don't want to feel that my boys, will be not going to, you know, to do the mock interviews. Because when I will going to ask the interviews, I'll be going to definitely will be asked. I will not going to be sought. So when I will ask the interview questions, you are so that time I'm not as a trainer, okay? That I'm not your trainer. When I'm doing a mock interview, I'm a panelist. I'm an interview panelist. I'm taking my interview. That's it. I don't know who is Praful. I don't know Sharmi. I don't know his Mohammed. I'm asking the question, give the answer. Okay. If I like it, that's it. Otherwise, leave it. I will behave like that. So just prepare it perfectly. Make that is what I'm telling before only. And call them Ankit, call them Rajkumar, call them everyone, make them group it. But because when I'm going to start the mock interviews, right, that day will be very very harsh. Okay, I'm truly selling that. If I'm going to 10 questions, at least you can give it to me 6 to 7 questions to answer. It has not been done that if I'm going to ask a 10 question, but you give me only one question answer, and that one question answer giving a wrong. So that is the I don't expecting anyone. So if you want to do the preparation and everything, just start the preparation. If you want to help me, Dinesh, I can help you that. Suppose you want the notes and everything, I can give it to me. See, end of the support, I can do it. This mock interviews, why I'm conducting you only because it will help you to crack the interview. That is the only reason. So when I talk with the Wikipedia Academy, they said you are they don't have actually concept called mock interview. I said I'll do the mock interviews because I do the different companies, and why I'll do the mock interviews here only. So just start the preparation. Okay, I don't want to to say that where you are lacking something. I don't want to be use that kind of words when you are in the interview. Okay, so please be prepared. If you want my help and support, end of the day I'll do the support. See, if I'm telling those students, those who are really serious about their career. Otherwise, nobody's joining in the classes after giving the lot of instructions to each and every student. Okay, now I know that I'm giving lot of instructions to you, but this is for you guys. See, the trainer is care about you. I'm care about you, about your future. Okay, at the interview preparation, when we'll do the mock interviews, you will be prepared well on that day. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Enjoy. Okay.
Okay, good night. Good night, Dennis.
Good night. Good night. Bye. Take care.